we will be cooking instant ramen with an egg in it, and the ingredient I'll be talking about is flour/wheat that comes from the noodles. Where's the ingredient from? Flour mainly comes from wheat, which is grown in countries like the United States, China, India, and Russia. These places are good for wheat because they have the right climate and farming practices. What climate is best for this ingredient? Wheat grows best in temperate climates, with the temperature being 50 to 77 Fahrenheit and the rainfall from about 10 to 20 inches during the growing season. Farming practices for wheat include crop rotation, conservation tillage, and pest management, which is switching crops each year to keep the soil healthy, disturbing the soil less to protect it and keep moisture, and using natural methods to control pests without too many chemicals. Number 3, what type of technology is used in productions? Technologies used in wheat include precision agriculture, which is using a GPS to plan planting and harvesting. Genetically modified seeds, also known as GMOs, which are crops designed to resist pests and improve yields. Automated machinery, which is tractors and harvesters that operate with high efficiency, and irrigation systems, which is efficient water use through modern watering methods. Where does it fit in von Thuning's model? In von Thuning's model of land use, wheat would be located in the third or fourth circle. It is found farther from the city because transportation and land use. It's very easy to transport, requires more space, but is way less perishable than fruits. Agriculture, and 3 things I chose. Land use. Wheat needs a lot of area to grow. Consequences of the Green Revolution. The Green Revolution made wheat grow faster, but it also caused soil problems and used more chemicals. Agriculture's impact on the environment. Wheat farming can still hurt the soil and water because of pesticides and fertilizers.
An ingredient used by the contestant in his food was corn through his noodles. This ingredient is mainly grown on large farms in regions like the U.S., normally the Midwest, for commercial purposes. Farmers will often use monoculture, meaning they only plant corn on large plots of land. This helps maximize efficiency, but it can deplete the soil over time. Some innovations in agriculture that affected it was irrigation, fertilizer, pesticide, and biotech. This allowed for higher yields and decreased problems. The demand for corn increased the amount that farmers make. That's how the economy influences the agriculture. It's just supply and demand. Technology plays a large role in the farming of corn because it makes it more efficient and increases yield over time through modern machinery like tractors and harvesters, as well as fertilizers helping to increase the yield along with biotech and pesticides.
My ingredient is eggs. Where is your ingredient from and why do you believe this? Eggs come from chickens, which are a worldwide animal, but the US, India, and China are the main producers. What climate is best for this ingredient to grow in, and what type of agricultural practice would be used for this ingredient? Chickens do best in warm or mild weather. Big farms use cages or large barns, while small farms let chickens roam outside. What type of technology is used in the production of your ingredient? Machines collect eggs and feed chickens. Farmers breed chickens to lay more eggs. Scanners and check eggs for cracks. Von Thuning's model location. Eggs would go in dairy farming and market gardening, close to the center because they're perishable. Land use. Big farms raise thousands of chickens indoors. Small farms use open land for free-range chicken. Agriculture and globalization. Countries sell eggs to each other. Some places import eggs if they don't have enough. How economy influences agriculture. If feed prices go up, eggs cost more. If people buy less eggs, farmers make less money.
These are all the ingredients we have. We have corn, boiled eggs, chicken, and ramen noodles. And now we have to take off the shells of the boiled eggs. And now we have to crack the eggs.
And now we have to pour water into the bowl, and we need 2 cups per bag, and we're doing 4 bags. And that's the last one. And now we have to open up the packages, take out the ramen, put them in, and boil them. And now we put the noodles in the water. And now we set a timer for 3 minutes. Now we add the corn to the noodles. Now we add the chicken. Lastly, we add the seasoning. And now we stir it. And this is the final product.